Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll talk about 5 items that I never thought I would buy ever, and now I absolutely love them. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post every Friday and I have videos about jewelry, luxury goods, shopping, travel, Chanel bags, style and fashion, Dior, weekly vlogs, and also I have a beauty product section on my channel. So let's begin. I never thought I will ever buy a white Chanel classic flap. This color is so hard to maintain and I was so resistant to getting it for years, and now I have it. I live in Singapore and it's not easy to maintain white color here because of the humidity. Actually, lots of white items turn yellow, even some of my tops or dresses, but I can fix that problem by using special detergent, and obviously I cannot do it with the bag, but so far it's okay. It hasn't been very long time since I bought it because I've recently unboxed it on my channel. The bag still looks brand new. It doesn't have any scratches or scuffs or marks. It's absolutely pristine, and actually most of my bags look like that. I try to maintain them. If I wear dark colors, I actually shorten the straps of the bag so it doesn't have to touch my clothes, and I showed it in the previous video, which I will link down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. At the end of that video, I was showing 5 different ways of how you can carry it and how to avoid a color transfer. The white color is so classic, it's so easy to match it with anything. I really like the way it looks with pastel colors. It works great with some of the bright colors too, and I really like to match it with my monochrome outfits. For example, with this dress, I could also wear this bag with a black dress and with my white Chanel Mary Jane shoes too. I really like this look, or with the full white outfit. This is my favorite look actually because I don't have to worry about color transfer at all, and I feel like white just works the best here. This bag is stunning. I highly recommend it. By the way, this one is from the 19B collection that came out last year. However, spring-summer 2020 had a white bag too. Perhaps you can still check with your SA. I'm sure some bags are still left in the stores because of the quarantine. So I think it will be quite easy to find a white bag, although the shade from the recent collection is a bit different. It's a little bit more ivory, and I compared both of these shades in the video that I will link down in the description box below. What do you guys think about white Chanel classic flaps? Would you dare to get it? It took me a few years to pull the trigger, but I'm very happy that I have it now. I really like it a lot, and I know that I will use this bag very often. Moving on, the next item on the list is my Dior Bar Jacket in the black color, which I absolutely love. I bought it earlier this year. It's so stunning, and I will link down a shopping vlog when I was trying on this jacket in the description box below. Do let me know whether you prefer me wearing this jacket with the trousers or with the skirt. I'm very curious to see what you're gonna say. Next up on the list is my Cartier Love bracelet because I never thought I would ever buy it. The thought of wearing this bracelet on my wrist 24/7 just made me so uncomfortable initially, but I really like the look, and I think it took me like 2 years to get it. I was always so hesitant and I would always go for Chanel over Cartier in the past, but I think I changed, and I prefer jewelry over designer bags. Sometimes it depends on the bag, but I really love jewelry, and this bracelet is my absolutely favorite. It goes well with so many of my items. By the way, I have recently posted a video about how to remove the scratches from this bracelet, and I will link it down in the description box below so you guys can have a look. And the next item is my Chanel pearl bag, which I never thought I will ever buy. It's so beautiful, but it really looks so delicate. I remember the first time I saw it on the Chanel website, I thought to myself, there is no way. And it's absolutely a waste of money because it's so easy to damage it, it will get destroyed. But you know what? I had this bag for over a year and I use it so often. I think this bag is actually my most used bag in my whole collection. I pair it with so many of my outfits. It's perfect for a weekend, and I think it's in a size mini. It looks like mini. By the way, I will link down the unboxing video in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. But so far this bag doesn't have any damage whatsoever. All the sides look pristine. No pearl got scratched, scuffed, or came off. It's so durable. But at the same time, I'm pretty careful with my bags. Like I said, I never put them on the floor. I'm very mindful where I am, and I'm always trying to make sure nobody will bump into me. I obviously don't take this bag when going clubbing, which I actually hardly ever do. But you know what I mean? I don't take it to the places where it can be destroyed. But yeah, it looks so pristine. I love this bag so much. The only downside of this bag that it doesn't have a back pocket, but I guess the design of this bag wouldn't be so nice if there was a pocket. Other than that, it's my absolutely favorite bag ever. And it's so easy to style it. It just works with absolutely everything. I have posted quite a few outfits on my Instagram account, so if you guys are interested, please feel free to check it out. I wear this bag all the time, literally. And the last but not the least is my Chanel Jumbo Classic Flap that I never thought I would buy because it's such a big bag. Actually, initially I thought it's way too big for me. I wasn't sure if I need it in my collection, but I'm so happy I have it. I have to say it's the only jumbo size that I have, but I'm very happy that I bought it in black. This bag can fit in so many items. I have previously also posted a few videos about it. I compared 3 different sizes. I actually consider this bag an investment because it holds the value so well. It depends, of course, how well you look after it, but mine looks like brand new, and initially I wasn't even very careful with it. I worn it all the time, literally every day. Now I alternate my bags, but I think for the first year I just worn it all the time. It was my work bag every single day. But yeah, it's a stunning item. I highly recommend it. And it looks amazing with winter coats. It's so beautiful. I did post quite a few pictures on my Instagram account with this bag as well. I actually like to wear this bag with big jackets or coats. I think it helps to balance the outfit. I don't think a small bag would work here, but jumbo looks perfect. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And do check out my Instagram account. I post quite often. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!